Now for the top plate, I could use a laser level and line it up with this and then put my 2x4 up here, but I'm gonna have to do some stuff up here, or I want to do some stuff up here. So this is another way to do it. I'm gonna cut a 2x4 going from here to up here. I'm gonna cut it at 95 inches, as long as that's gonna work for the other side. 95 inches will work, so I'll cut the straightest 2x4 I have at 95 inches, and then I can plumb it up, mark a line, snap it, and that will tell me that this top plate is gonna be completely plumb with the bottom plate. And the good thing about this is you can reuse it because it's going to be longer than if you were to put it between the bottom plate and the top plate. This down here, like that. And I take my 4-foot level and make sure it's tight to the bottom plate, and then mark which side. And same thing over here. There. And by the way, I'm well aware that you could build this entire thing on the floor and then stand it up and plumb it, nail it into place, but I like to stick frame. That's what this is called. Just makes it easier. Plus, I don't know what's going on in this area yet, and over there, I don't know if everything's plumb, level, square, so I just like doing it this way. Now I'm gonna put my nail in just like this, right on that line at an angle this way. The bottom's closer to this. Then I can put my chalk line in here, and since I angled it, hopefully, as I step off this ladder and hold this, it will not fall down like that. Just keep some tension on it. And then hold it to this mark, nice and tight. Snap-a-lappa. So now you could put your top plate up right on that line, shoot a couple nails at an angle, and then jam the studs in there. Before I do that, I'm gonna see what's up here. I just wanna investigate a little bit to see if I can nail to something solid, because that would be great. And it's always good to see what you haven't seen before in your house. So here is where the other side of the 2x4 is gonna go. And I'm just gonna open this up kind of like that, just to take a look. Ooh, that's good. So this is kind of the ideal situation. Well, ideally, this would be dead center, and you could get 2 nails into this, but at least I can get 1 nail at an angle over into this, because my plate's gonna be right here. So this is good. So now I can do an 8-footer. So that's gonna go all the way. Just hold it up like this in the middle. Get it on the line, shoot it at an angle. Just shooting them at an angle, that'll help to hold it up. And take a measurement here, 48 7/8. And take my nail out. Strapping should be in the same place over here, hopefully. Hopefully it's not at a square or anything. Put this in first. At an angle through that one.